Again, it's me, Jeff. Okay, for today, we're gonna share something for everyone for how to transfer files, easily transfer, mga ways, method, how to transfer video files from your cell phone or to your... Ngayon, just arrived this morning, okay, from Ugreen. Actually, this one, Ugreen is one of my trusted brand when it comes to USB, cables, okay, mga accessories, which is good, tumatagal sila, which means quality. Okay, so ngayon, bumili kami ng card reader. So, this one is for my GoPro. So, unang share namin this one. Okay, for GoPro. Kasi ang GoPro, sometimes, you need to connect, you need a longer USB cable to connect. So, for easier transfer, okay, so, bumili kami ng USB card reader. Buksan na natin. Tara, let's go!
Okay, let's open it up. Okay, for this one, it's cost only, kung makikita nyo, cash on delivery cost for only 361 pesos, 0.56 centavos lang yan, mga yan. So, for this price, for me, it's sulit. Okay, hindi na siya ganun kamahal for multimedia, maraming gamit naman. Okay, promo card 1111. Alright, and the box itself. So, yan. As you can see, meron siyang kasamang freebie na strap. Okay, strap cable. Libre yan from Ugreen. And let's unbox it para makita na natin kung ano yung nasa loob. Yan. Okay. So, meron siyang instruction manual. Okay. So, makikita nyo dyan kung ano mga functionality niya, kung ano mga card ang pwedeng gamitin. So, ito yung pang computer and pwede rin pang MacBook. Okay. You can find it here sa manual. And of course, the unit itself, okay, it's like a flash drive lang siya or thumb drive. Okay, very portable, easy to carry. Yun lang, medyo mabilis mawala pag hindi naingatan. Okay, so as you can see, so meron siyang SD card. Okay, this one is the Type C na pwede siya sa cellphone din. Okay, pwede rin siya diretso na sa cellphone. And then, pwede na siyang diretso sa computer na meron Type-C port. Okay, so this one is very handy. Malaking tulong ito. Especially ngayon, panay Type-C na ang mga latest devices. And the USB itself. Okay, yan. Very useful. Okay, very handy. Pwede sa cellphone din to. Nagamit ko na sa cellphone. So, pag napuno na yung storage ko, pwede ko nang i-transfer dito basta meron lang akong extra memory card. So, yan. Talagang very useful. Okay, so now we're gonna use our GoPro. So, sample or demonstration how we're gonna use this. So, eto. You just get the memory card. Then, insert lang natin. So, ayan. Madali lang siyang gamitin, guys. Very easy to use. Then, let's connect it. Then, snap. Yan. Pag may narinig kayong click sound, ibig sabihin, okay siya. Then, very secure ang iyong memory. So, hindi siya kagad-agad nalalaglag. So, ngayon, try natin. Ngayon, connected na sa computer. Nabasa na siya. Ayan, guys. Okay. So, access na lahat ng files ng memory card. Lahat nandyan na siya. So, you can easily transfer na pag makakailangan kayo transfer. For example niyan is, halimbawa na puno na yung memory card at kailangan mo pa mag-shoot ng video. pwede mong, it will be a little bit handy. Okay, magiging handy siya. Yan ang Ugreen multimedia. Okay. So, pag napuno na, pwede na natin ibalik sa ating GoPro or sa cellphone. Okay, so okay na okay to guys, na gamit. Mabilisan lang pag-transfer, lalo pag marami kang memory card. Pag napuno na yung isang memory card mo, okay, tanggalin mo lang, transfer mo ng isa habang isa naman shoot. Ayun, so guys, this one is, I will recommend this product. A thumbs up for this brand, okay, by Ugreen. Okay guys, sa mga hindi pa nagsusubscribe sa aking channel, please subscribe now para sa mga sulit gadget na kagaya nito. Okay guys, shout out lang tayo kay Ma'am Kat at jowa ni Lucio na si Samantha. Comment lang guys sa mga gusto magpa-shoutout on my next video.